Now once you're taking the medicine, forcefully that medicines are functioning on that particular organ. See, for example, 40 years you have no blood pressure. After 40 years there is elevated the blood pressure. Then time to time it's elevating. It's not constant. See, now I am active. If I will give another 2 hours lecture, can I be active in the same manner? The energy level will come down. You are sitting calmly now for some time. I will continue for 3 hours. You can able to sit. Tata, bye bye, you will go out. Enough your class. You can sit. There is a limitation. So in this way, each and every time the blood pressure is monitoring is now is one pressure. After some time there could be something. And the diabetes is now there is some control. After some time there will be elevation. These elevations are essential in the human body. Without up and downs, the man cannot exist. Without even every year the cold is sneezing out. That is essential. That is certainly need to follow that. If you go against the nature, then certainly it causes the diseases. Therefore, these medicines, once you keep on to taking that medicines are fighting to that particular organ. Heart, you just keep quiet, I will do the function. Then what is the heart? Why the heart has been implemented in the natural form, which is not required. Then the medicines will follow that. Right. So diabetes, you take the medicine. So that also giving the forceful enforcement to the pancreas to do the activity in the synthetic form. Even the medicines is not functioning further, finally will go to the insulin. Insulin, always keep it in your mind. Insulin is not suggestible to the human system since that is the different origin. Blood transfusion is not suggestible to the human body. Even donors is many donors. What according to Chinese philosophy I am telling you, I am not denying to any system. This should be a very understandable thing. What we knows, what we need to understand, according to that with the nature we need to follow. So therefore, taking the blood transfusion is not suggestible. At the same time, taking the medicines forcefully functioning to that particular organ is not suggestible. In terms of insulin also is not. That is even taking by pork, cow, human insulin. That and all is good for their particular reason, their particular issues, but not for the human being. Are you understood? Therefore, once you give that, and certainly will start the first dysfunction is the abdominal related disorders in terms of dysfunctional of indigestion. So starting the burning sensation or any other issues, whatever the issues you are going to get during the diabetes, all those things are related to the time to time dysfunctional issues or maybe long term it causes because of medications. You understood? So therefore, we suggest you, rather than going for the medication for the long term, better you can go for the natural way of medicine like homeopathy, like acupuncture or pressure or naturopathy, yoga, and then Siddha medicine or the Unani medicine is suggestible since this is 2000 years ago has been originated. Right? So therefore, I suggest you anything diseases, what happen against that, even you are taking the long-term medicine, the immune system, the defensive mechanism will come down. For example,